Two topics in this lesson: action allow lists and streaming modes. Let us get into both. Action allow lists first. Each channel has an actions subobject with Boolean keys controlling what the agent can actually do on that channel. Send, whether the agent can send messages. Default true, disable for read-only agents like alerts. React, whether the agent can add emoji reactions. Default usually true, useful for acknowledgement. Edit, whether the agent can edit its own messages after posting. Default usually false, because edit history can confuse users. Delete, whether the agent can delete messages. Default false. Almost never enable this on a production agent. Almost never. Threads, whether the agent can create or post in threads. Default usually true. Moderation, whether the agent can take moderation actions like timeouts, kicks, bans. Default false. Enable only for explicit moderation agents in carefully scoped channels. Be careful here. The pattern. Start restrictive. Enable only what the agent actually needs. So a personal assistant agent in your DMs might have send and react enabled, with edit and delete and threads and moderation all disabled. That gives the agent enough to be useful, and it constrains the blast radius of a prompt injection attack. Always think about blast radius per group overrides. As we covered in lesson 3, you can override actions for a specific group. So your account default might allow send and react, but in your work stand-up channel, you might disable both, making the agent read only there. Now, streaming modes. 4 values: off, partial, block, progress. Off means the response from the agent only appears when complete. No incremental updates, lower channel chatter, higher latency to first visible token. Partial means a single preview message that gets edited as tokens come in. The user sees the response build up in real time, most natural feel for chat surfaces. Usually the right default for Slack and Discord. Block means the response from the agent gets sent as discrete chunks, appended to the conversation as each chunk completes. Useful for channels that struggle with frequent edits. Progress means periodic progress updates, then the final response. So the agent posts thinking, then looking up files, then the actual response. Useful for long-running tasks where you want the user to see the agent is actually working on it. Per channel support varies. Slack and Mattermost support all 4. Telegram and Discord fall back from progress to partial. Some channels do not support partial because of platform-side rate limits on edits. Check the per channel guides in Module 8 for the specifics. A practical knob streaming.preview.tool progress. Boolean, whether tool calls produce live preview cards in the chat. Default true. If your channel is getting too noisy with tool call updates, set this to false. The tool calls still happen. You just do not see them rendering in the channel. Cleaner, that closes Module 7. In the next module, we go through per channel setup, one channel at a time, with the specific tokens, scopes, and quirks for each. See you there.